ready to reach new market and customers, then Transcy app can help you with that. Transcy is a language translation and currency converter app that will ensure your customers can shop comfortably in their preferred language and currency. With powerful AI system, Transcy can automatically translate on demand to more than 100 languages, and it offers real-time currency conversion that will localize your store and attract more customers from all over the world to your website. Hi, my name is Amy from eCommerce, and welcome to our 6th video series on how to use Transcy, where I'll explain everything you need to know about Transcy and how to use each feature.
There are certain points you have to take notes before using the glossary feature. You can pause the video to read them. Now, let me show you how to create rules for your specific words or phrases. Glossary feature allows you to set rules for your translation. This will help you to obtain higher quality translations while saving time on manual editings. Step 1. Go to the Transcy app and click on Translation menu. Select Manage Glossary and click Add New Rule. Step 2. Enter the default text you want to set rules for into the text box. For example, brand name Apple. Select the type of rules you want to apply, never translate or always translate. Step 3. Take case sensitive if needed, which means you want to apply the rule to only matches spelled exactly like the text you input. The default text is defined as non-case sensitive. Step 4. Select the target language you want to set the rule for one or more languages. Step 5. Select the source page from AutoSync or Manual Sync containing the word or phrase you want to apply the rule for. Step 6. You can also leave an internal note right here and click Add. Step 7. Toggle on Status to activate the rule.
That's it from me today. Let me know if you have any further questions in the comment section below. We post a new video every single week, and if you want to learn more about e-commerce, please make sure to subscribe to get notified when we post a new video. And I'll see you next one.